we have f of x, which equals x over x plus 1, and g of x, which equals the natural log of x. We would like to find these two compositions. First, f composed with g of x, and g composed with f of x. So let's start with our f composed with g. F composed with g. What this means is f of g of x. Okay, so that means we're going to take g of x and plug it into the f. I'm going to go ahead and do that symbolically first. I'm going to say, so f of g of x, I'm going to take f, which is x over x plus 1, and I'm going to plug g of x into it. So g of x over g of x plus 1. So all we did here was we took this g of x right here and we plugged it into those two spots. Okay. Now we can go ahead and plug in what g of x is. So g of x is natural log of x. So natural log of x over natural log of x plus 1. And that is f composed with g of x. For g composed with f of x, we could do the same thing. G composed with f of x means g of f of x. So this means we're going to take f of x and we're going to plug it in to the g function. Okay, so that means into that x right there. So that's just natural log of f of x. And now we know what f of x is. It's x over x plus 1. So we can plug that in right there. So we have natural log of x over x plus 1.